Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make your T-Mobile home internet faster. Step 1. Restart your gateway. Turn it off, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on. This refreshes your connection. Step 2. Reposition your gateway. Place it near a window or on a high shelf away from walls or electronics. Better placement, stronger signal. Step 3. Use wired connections. Whenever possible, connect devices directly with an Ethernet cable for faster, more stable internet. Step 4. Switch Wi-Fi bands. If your gateway supports 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, try using 5 GHz for faster speeds at shorter distances. Step 5. Reduce device load. Disconnect devices you're not using. Too many connections can slow your network. Step 6. Extend your signal. For bigger homes, use mesh Wi-Fi extenders or external antennas to cover dead zones. Follow these tips and your T-Mobile home internet should feel faster. And that's it. That's how to make your T-Mobile home internet faster. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.